Welcome to Master Chinese Writing Channel. Stroke order made easy.
Hi, welcome back. Today's character is
礼
the symbol of inside. Let's learn.
Section 1. Stroke order, meaning and usage.
礼
7 strokes to define inside.
竖横折横横竖横横里
Means inside. Use it in words like
里面
inside,
公里
kilometer. Now that you know how to write,
里
let's learn some useful words and phrases.
Section 2. Common words and phrases.
Common words and phrases.
这里
Here,
心里
in one's heart,
家里
at home.
Section 3. Example sentences.
Example sentences.
书在书包里
The book is inside the backpack.
我家离学校5公里
My home is 5 kilometers from the school.
Section 4. Fun fact.
Did you know?
里
Has a double life. It's both a spatial term like
里面
and a unit of distance. Example, or a unit of distance 1
里
equals 0.5 kilometers.
Section 5. Interactive challenge.
Now it's your turn. Quiz. What does 公里 need in English? Comment below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. Comment below which Chinese character you want to learn. See you on next video for another character. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.